Taking that point across to Sahil, who continues to stay with us. In fact, he is reporting from a polling station in Pulwama, beg your pardon. Sahil, coming back to you as far as what we were discussing earlier as well, a very interesting aspect that you did point out, and you were perhaps also putting forth to a lot of the other voters there, is the kind of difference that the youth would make in terms of the number turnout that is expected, considering the fact that the data is over there, and how that would make a difference in the larger aspect of development for the region.
Well, yes, youth is going to, in fact, play a key role in this particular election. In 2024 Lok Sabha election, we saw youth coming on roads, participating in intensified election campaigns, and what we saw, in fact, in North Kashmir, it was basically the youth who supported Engineer Rashid, and he, in fact, won from Baramulla constituency and defeated Omar Abdullah with a huge margin. Right now, in this particular phase of election, where 24 constituencies are going to polls, over 5 lakh voters are youth, and they are going to basically, in fact, play a crucial and key role in this particular election. Youth have their issues, and after the abrogation of Article 370, they are basically talking about the unemployment and other, in fact, issues here in Kashmir as well. So we have seen during past 2-3 weeks in South Kashmir, youth basically taking lead in those election campaigns. So that basically tells us that youth is at driving seat. They are basically taking this election to some conclusion, to some direction. So in this particular election, as Election Commission of India has pointed out, and in fact put out the details of in fact the voters in this particular election, 5 lakh voters are in 24 constituencies who are going to cast their votes. There are first-time voters as well. Youth, in fact, females also will be participating, and they will be also playing crucial role. As you see, females have started turning up. This is Pulwama constituency in South Kashmir. In 2014 Assembly election, we have just seen 38% voter turnout in this constituency, and today, with this pace of voters coming to polling station in those areas where it was basically violence and it was dominated with militancy-related incidents, and people were very apprehensive about coming to polling station and casting their votes. I will also go to some of the voters again here and try to understand what this basically their issues are and what they have in their mind at this point in time. इस वक्त आप जो वोट डालने जा रहे हैं, पहले आप बताएं कि आपको लग रहा है कि स्थिति में बेहतरी आई है और आप फील इस वक्त सिक्योर कर रहे हैं वोट डालने के लिए?
आ रही है, हाँ, बहुत बेहतरी आ रही है, बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा हो रहा है। अच्छी बात है।
इससे पहले इस तरह का वातावरण
नहीं, इससे पहले नहीं था ये। आज बहुत अच्छा हुआ है, इंशाल्लाह आगे भी अच्छा ही होगा।
क्या इश्यूज है जो आपके जहन में हैं इस वक्त और जिस पे आप अपना वोट डिसाइड करें?
बस याद को जो असल में खानदार यून जो कालस पे आता है सो गोज यून के काल थोतल।
आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे? So basically people are coming out and voting. They have in fact several issues, and they are going to cast vote on that line. But important is that we have seen those organizations or those outfits who were previously boycotting elections are not just boycotting elections, but basically telling people to boycott. They are also contesting elections at this point in time, backing their independent candidates, and that has completely changed the entire political spectrum, particularly in Kashmir Valley, and that, of course, in South Kashmir, where we are going and, in fact, witnessing polling today. These are the areas where basically boycott and shutdown and violence was in fact, dominating the political spectrum. But those organizations, like I mentioned, banned outfit Jamaat-e Islami is also participating in this election. We have seen in 2024 Lok Sabha elections, their top leaders on polling booths and casting their votes. This time around, they are actively participating in elections. They have their, in fact, candidates who participated in election campaigns. Today they are going to come out and vote. So that in turn has impact and encouraged all the voters to come out. People are coming out. This is the, in fact, first 15 minutes we are seeing this rush of voters here in Avantipora, and in coming hours more
Right.
voters are going to come, and the voter turnout is going to be in fact beyond 70%, which is
Right, Sahil.